చూడండి.
My God, yeah. You want a cake?
వాట్?
Hello guys, if you are mad about driving then you must subscribe my YouTube channel and you can follow me on Facebook, Instagram and YouTube. There you can get my updates and links are in description. So you can click below and follow me and be in touch with me. Yo yo! Now I'm going to start my journey from Shillong, Meghalaya state to Agartala, Tripura state. సో నేను ఇంకా ఇక్కడి నుంచి అయితే నేను స్టార్ట్ అయిపోతా. నాకు తెలిసి ఎంత టైం పడుతుందో నాకైతే తెలియదు. మేబీ ఇట్ విల్ టేక్ 12 hours జర్నీ టు రీచ్ బికాస్ ఇట్స్ 500 kilometers. బట్ బిఫోర్ లీవింగ్ దిస్ ప్లేస్ I will visit some small tourist place. I don't know it's tourist place or not, but now I'm traveling there. Let's go. I started my journey to see that small tourist place. I don't know that is tourist place or not, but when I'm coming to Shillong, Meghalaya state, at that time I saw that place side of highway. It's far away from 30 kilometers from Shillong. Now I don't know it will be beautiful or not. If it is beautiful, then I'm the most luckiest person to see that. If it's not beautiful, it's my bad luck and I wasted my time a lot. Whatever. Now let's go there. Thank God we did not burn in this hill area, because if we used to burn in this hill area then we used to face lots of traffic jam every day in our life, because here roads are very small and here they can't build wide roads also because this is an hill area. So because of this hill area here traffic jam will be so high. I mean vehicles will jam at one place for a long time because of the small roads. బతికిపోయాం అదృష్టం కొద్ది. నాకు తెలిసి ఇక్కడ పోలీస్ స్టేషన్ ఉండి ఉంటుంది. బికాస్ ఆఫ్ దట్ రీజన్ హియర్ మెనీ బైకర్స్ యూ క్యాన్ సీ సైడ్ ఆఫ్ దట్ రోడ్ ఎవ్రీవన్ ఆర్ waiting for someone. Like here there is one police station, left side police. Wow, successfully I wasted my time and I wasted my energy while traveling till here, because here nothing is there to see. Here you can see now side just water and this is a like dam. So when I'm traveling to Shillong at night time, that day I said that this place is looking beautiful, so one day I should visit here. That place is this only. I thought this place is very beautiful, so I visited here. But now here you can see I wasted my time successfully. I wasted my time a lot successfully. I can't do anything. I become so full. Now I should return back to Shillong. ఇంకైతే నేను ఏం చేయలేను, ఇంకా జస్ట్ వెళ్ళిపోవడమే. షిలాంగ్ వేస్ట్ చేసేస్తాను నా టైం మొత్తం, ఎనర్జీ, పెట్రోల్ అంతా వేస్ట్ అయిపోయింది. వాట్ ఎవర్. నౌ లెట్స్ గో. Today I'm going to fill up my petrol tank and later I will start my journey to Agartala, Tripura state. Now let's fill up my petrol. Here petrol price is 70 rupees. Okay, not bad. 310, 320, 330, 340. Yeah, it's become full. Yeah, full. Yeah, my tank is full now, so I can ride my bike like a rocket. Now bill is 499, 500 rupees. Now let's pay and let's leave this place. నాకు ఇక్కడికి వచ్చాక తెలిసింది మనం కార్ని ఈ విధంగా కూడా యూజ్ చేసుకోవచ్చని. దేర్ యూ కెన్ సీ ఏ కార్. హీ ఈజ్ యూజింగ్ కార్ ఫర్ trucking. He attached a truck for car and he using that for transport, for cargo and for passengers also. Wow, he's really very great person. And now here it started raining. Oh man, what's my bad luck. Till now there is no rain, but when I'm going to start my journey it started raining. What, in this traffic and rainy season? Wow, it's really hell. Shit, whatever. Now let's go. ఇంకా నేనైతే ఇక్కడ నుంచి కెమెరా షాప్కి వెళ్తున్నా దీనికోసం ఫర్ GoPro mounts and some camera equipment custom. So after going to there, I will find there is whatever I want. I can get that equipment in that camera shop or not. If I don't get, I can't do anything. I will try in some other place. If I get, it's my luck. And now let's travel there. There you can see ఆ బైక్ పర్సన్ నన్ను ఆ కెమెరా షాప్కి తీసుకెళ్తున్నాడు. హీ నో దట్ కెమెరా షాప్ అడ్రస్. వాట్ ఎవర్, నౌ లెట్స్ గో అండ్ లెట్స్ ట్రై దర్ దట్ ఐ కెన్ గెట్ ఏ ఎక్విప్మెంట్ విచ్ ఐ నీడ్ ఆర్ నాట్. Finally now I came to camping equipment shop. Here I purchased some stripes. It will be useful for tying some bags or some other things. So I purchased each one is 150 rupees. So wow, but it's very useful. Finally now I came to camera shop. I don't know here I can get which I need or not, but first let me try. If I don't get, then I will try to get that product in some other place or some other state. Finally here I did not get which I want, so I can't do anything. I will try in some other state. Now I will start my journey. And here I don't know one more thing, here how people are living, because I mean in this rainy season here all the time rainy. I don't know how these people are living. If I used to burn here, then I used to die. Definitely I used to do suicide, but I can't live in like this place all the time. Rainy season with with this much traffic. I can't. Wow, more. Finally now I came to room and packing my things for starting my journey. Now I will take my luggage and I will fix for my bike and I will go from here. Finally now I'm starting my journey from Shillong, Meghalaya state, and going to Tripura state, and from here it's just 500 kilometers. I don't know how much time it will take, but here I met some taxi drivers and I asked them that how much time it will take from Shillong to Tripura state. They said it will take only just 5 hours like that. In that case means I can reach by 7 p.m. only, because now time is just 2:20 p.m. So if it's take 5 hours, then I will reach by evening 7 p.m. Whatever, now let's go, let's start my journey. This is why all the time we should not trust Google Maps. Here you can see it's showing me to go from some other route, but I need to go for highway. I mean I need to connect to highway. That highway is just my hotel side of my hotel, but it's showing map to go from some other route while making me to around Shillong city. Then it's going me to take highway. What the, సో అక్కడ ఉండే జంక్షన్ నుంచి నేను లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ తీసుకుని ఇంకా అక్కడ నుంచి స్ట్రైట్ రోడ్ అగర్తల వరకు. అండ్ లేటర్ I don't know how the road will be, but I hope it will be good. And this rainy season and driving at this rainy time is really very hot. Whatever, now let's go. I should reach to that junction. From there to I should take left side, and later I will go like a rocket. Boom boom, swing swing.
My God, yeah. You want a cake?
What I did you see there how I am driving my bike, but still she is caring. Maybe she is very she love her kids a lot, that's why she is scared. Whatever, we can't do anything. It's just mother love. And ఎప్పుడు కూడా మీరు ఈ మిడిల్లోనే వెళ్ళాలి. ఇప్పుడు ఇన్ కేస్ ఇఫ్ యూ గో ఆన్ సమ్ అదర్ సైడ్, that side of the road, then you will face lots of things. I'm already explained, that's why I'm saying for you, you should not travel in that side of that side you should not travel. You should always travel between these two lanes, then only you can reach your destination very fast, or else you should jam in this traffic as like those cars you can see me around me, right? So like that you should stuck. So all the time when you visit hill area, then you must travel in middle of the road only. I think this Google Maps again going to make me a fool, because here you can see it's taking me to some other routes between small streets. I don't know where it will go, but it's showing me to map to go in this way. What, I don't know now what I should do. Now whatever, now let's follow this, and if it's make me fool, then I can't do anything. Just it's my foolishness, and I'm a biggest fool and joker. Let's go. La 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 la. Oh, I think there is no way from here. What? Here you can see again. It's make me to fool. There is no way, but it's showing me to go from in. I'm not getting any words. Just fuck off, Google Maps. Arey baap re! Again it taken me to the same place. I mean where I took turning to go in that small street. Again it made me to come in that way only, and it made me to mix in highway where I think to go. I mean whatever. I'm getting irritation. I'm not getting any words. Finally now I reach to highway. Here you can see, but here once I will check the route, it's correct or not. Agartala, Tripura state. Yeah, I should take left side and I should go from here, but whatever. Now I will ask someone, because if we ask, we don't lose anything, right? I mean it don't cost anything. Just I will ask someone and I will go from here. Let's go. Boom boom.
भैया अगरतला कैसे सेट है? अगरतला
क्या?
अगरतला
करतला।
अगरतला ये स्ट्राइट है सीधा, इधर से त्रिपुरा सीधा रोड है। ठीक है।
Finally I reached to highway, and I think from here I can travel peacefully. And one more thing I want to say, from the Siliguri, West Bengal to Assam, Assam to Meghalaya, Shillong to Tripura, road is completely perfect. I don't know, I travel a little bit only, but I think it will be good from here also. So but whatever, from this area there is no rain, so people are seeing me like different. In Northeast we need to only worry about one thing, that is raining, because here all the time and complete year rainy season will be there, so that is the biggest problem. But roads are excellent, but I don't know in front of me how roads will be there. You can see here how this traffic jam is there. Here many vehicles are stuck, even cars, bikes, lorries and trucks, everything is stuck here from long time. So once imagine if you came on car, what's your situation in this traffic? It will take more than 6 hours or 2 hours, 3 hours, like that it will take to clear this traffic. And this is common in every exports and import area. I mean, from which place exports and imports will be more, that area will be filled with lorries. I mean lots of lorries will they will travel from this place, so automatically this place will be with high traffic jams and with lots of vehicles. So here you can see side of me how many lorries are there, and like this only it will be there in Assam, Meghalaya, Tripura. In complete Northeast it will be like this only, because here roads are very small and exports and imports are very high from other states, so it will be like this only. So we should go like this, and here roads are very small. That is the biggest reason for these traffic jams. Aha, did you see this, guys? So this lorry is going backside because I'm coming on this way, right? So because of that reason this lorry driver scared, and he's driving back while scaring because of me. Just kidding, nothing is there like that. It's just going back, I mean in reverse position. Maybe it got some breakdown or something, so someone are towing this lorry with some other vehicle. Not bad. We can't do anything when our vehicle is breakdown. So finally it's going to become night. I don't know what I should do. I don't want to travel. I want to take some hotel and I want to stay for this night, because it's not near. I mean if it's used to be like 100 kilometers or 150 kilometers, then I used to travel, but 8 kilometers far away from me. So 300 kilometers I should travel at night time means it's impossible, and I need to face many things at this unknown place. So I don't want to take any risk. First I will ask some people, and I will try to get a hotel and I will stay here, and next day morning I will start my journey from that place. Let's go and let's travel. How much distance I can travel before 10 p.m, that much distance I will travel, and later I will take a room and I will stay there. Here just now I spoke with some local people and I asked them that where I can get a hotel. Like that I asked them that. So they said if I want to get any hotel, then I must travel back 30 kilometers. I should travel back and there I can get a hotel. Like that they are saying. So but on my way now I can't get any type of hotel. So if I want to get any hotel, then I must travel to Assam state. Then there only I can get whatever. Now I don't know that I can get a hotel here or not. But let's try. I will try to get some hotel. If I can't get anything, then I must travel to Assam state. Whatever, let's go. From long back I'm trying to get a hotel, right? I asked many people that where I can get a hotel. Like that I asked many people, but everyone are saying we don't know and you can't get any hotel. Like that only they are saying. So when I'm going on my way, I found a restaurant. I asked him that where I can get a hotel. Like that I asked him. So he said if you want to get any hotel to stay for one night, then you must travel 10 kilometers back. There is a small mini hotel. There you can get a room for one night. Like that he is saying. But I don't want to stay here because it's look like little dangerous. So I don't want to stay. So if he said if you don't want to stay here, then you must travel to Assam state. It's just 30 kilometers far away from this place. So now I'm traveling to Assam state, and in Assam I can get many hotels. Like that owner said. So now I'm going to get hotel in Assam state. I did not expect that today night I'm traveling to Assam like that. So because I thought Assam is so far, so I can't travel like that. So today night I must take rest and I must take a hotel like that I'm thinking. But my situation made me to travel Assam state. Whatever. Now let's go and let's get a hotel. Oh man, from long back I'm stuck here in between these two lorries for 1 hour. I'm really getting irritation. I can't go front and I can't go back, and I don't have any other route to travel to Assam also. I have only one way. That way is only that road is this only. So I don't have any other roads to travel, and this road is completely full with lorries, imports and exports only. And this is an hilly area, so roads will be very small, and mainly this is an importing and exporting area. So maximum only lorries will travel a lot in this road, and mainly this is an hilly area. And now wherever I am there, that area is an turning point in hilly area. So a turning point, if any lorry is coming from other side, then whatever vehicle is coming from downside, any one vehicle should stop. Instead of stopping like that, both vehicle trying to move at once time mean they will create a biggest traffic jam, and any vehicle can't move front or back. So whatever, now leave about that. Now I think I reached to Assam state. I don't know, maybe I came near to Assam state. Whatever, now let's go. Finally, now I got a hotel in Badarpur, Assam state. So I'm so happy. Now I will sleep and I will take some rest, and tomorrow morning again I will continue my journey. Actually, sorry. Just now I had food and I came to my room, and now I'm going to have I'm going to have some sweet dreams, and later I will sleep, and everything is good in this room. It's just 700 rupees per day. Whatever, it's good. And here my biggest happiest thing is here internet is working, but in Meghalaya internet is not working because of strike and some NRC ILP fights. So because of that reason here fights are no internet is not working in Meghalaya, but here it's working well. I'm so happy for that, because I don't have anyone to call for me again and again, because I don't have any girlfriend or etc. So I have only I need only internet to do some time pass. So finally now I'm getting it, so I'm so happy. Now I can see everything and I can do anything with this internet. I'm so happy. Good night.